Shopify Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Shopify is one of the most popular website builders, specifically designed for e-commerce businesses, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to launch an online store quickly and efficiently. Its standout feature is its ease of use, offering a clean, intuitive interface that allows even beginners to set up a professional-looking website without needing coding skills. Shopify boasts a robust set of tools, including over 100 customizable themes, integrated payment gateways, inventory management, and SEO optimization. Its App Store offers thousands of third-party apps, enabling users to expand functionality with tools for email marketing, customer support, analytics, and more. The platform caters to businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, offering scalable solutions like Shopify Plus for high-volume sellers. One of its greatest strengths is its 24/7 customer support through live chat, email, and phone, ensuring help is always available. Shopify also excels in security and reliability, offering SSL certificates and PCI compliance, critical for handling sensitive customer data. On the flip side, there are some weaknesses to consider. Shopify's pricing starts at $39 a month for the basic plan, but additional costs for premium themes, apps, or transaction fees, if not using Shopify payments, can quickly add up. Another drawback is its limited blogging capabilities, which may not suffice for businesses heavily reliant on content marketing. Additionally, while Shopify offers customization, advanced users might find its liquid coding language restrictive compared to open-source platforms like WooCommerce. In summary, Shopify is purpose-built for e-commerce, excelling in simplicity, functionality, and scalability. It's perfect for those focused on selling products and services online, but less suited for businesses needing extensive blogging or complex customizations. If your goal is to get your store online with minimal hassle and maximum efficiency, Shopify is a solid choice.